Starting an online store is no longer just for big brands. Whether you have a product idea, want to sell digital products, or already run an offline business, an online store can multiply your revenue fast. But the big question is, how do you actually start an online store from scratch? What should you sell? Which platform should you use? How do you accept payments and handle shipping? In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step roadmap to launch your online store and get your first sales. Step 1. Choose what to sell. The first step is choosing the right product. You can start with 3 simple models. 1. Your own products. 2. Drop shipping or print on demand. 3. Wholesale products with profit margins. The best products usually have high demand, easy shipping, repeat buyers, and at least 30% profit margin. Examples: desk accessories, skincare, fitness gear, finance planners, journals, or digital templates. Step 2. Know your target customer. Now, define exactly who you're selling to. Don't try to sell to everyone. Pick a specific audience. For example, students who want affordable tools, professionals who need premium desk setups, creators who need digital templates, finance audiences who want budget planners. The clearer your audience, the easier your marketing becomes. Step 3. Build your store. Now it's time to build the store. Best beginner-friendly platforms are Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, Amazon Storefront. You need a brand name, a logo, product photos, descriptions, pricing, and checkout page. Show home page, product page, and checkout flow. Step 4. Payment setup. Your store needs frictionless payments. The best options for USA stores are Stripe, PayPal, Shopify Payments, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Klarna or Affirm. The easier the checkout, the higher the conversion rate. Step 5. Shipping and fulfillment. Next comes shipping. Use services like ShipStation, USPS, UPS, FedEx, or Amazon FBA. Choose fast shipping, provide tracking, and keep packaging clean and professional. Step 6. Create product listings that convert. Uploading products is not enough. Your product page needs to sell. Use this formula: clear title, problem-solving description, benefit bullets, strong images, reviews, and urgency. Example: instead of budget planner, write personal finance budget planner, track expenses, savings, and investments. This instantly feels more premium and useful. Step 7. Get your first sales. Now let's get traffic. The 4 best traffic sources are Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook or Google Ads. If you're in the finance niche, products like planners, investing journals, calculators, or templates can convert extremely well. Always end your videos with a CTA like "Get yours from the link below." Step 8. Scale the business. Once you get your first 10 to 20 sales, start scaling. Scale by launching variants, bundles and upsells, email automation, retargeting ads, repeat customer offers. This is where a side hustle becomes a real e-commerce business. So that's exactly how to start an online store in 2026. Choose the right product, build your store, simplify checkout, and drive traffic through content. Stay consistent, and even a simple store can turn into a serious monthly income stream. If you want, the next video can cover how to start a dropshipping store with zero inventory.